Discover FindThatLead, the all-in-one lead generation platform with the highest ROI in the market. Find that email you are looking for, build targeted emails and sequences for your audience, enrich your list of contacts with extra info, and in other words, boost your sales. Which data do we have available? We work with many sources with hundreds of millions of contacts. Of course, that means hundreds of millions of emails ready to prospect. Best of all, we generate most of this data in real time. Let me show you the complete lead generation process with FindThatLead. First, use Prospector to generate our target's contact information. Try our advanced filtering system to get only the contacts you are interested in. Once you have your contact list generated and enriched, let's move on to the next step. Now it's time to set up an emailing campaign from FindThatLead's own Send Emails tool. We choose a subject line, a body text, CTA, and schedule 2 follow-up emails. Simple, don't you think? You have CRM? Integrate it into FindThatLead to automate and manage the entire lead generation process. Each month you will be able to see your insights within the platform. I know you like to see how you have performed. Let's dive into another of FindThatLead's great features, the enrichment. You can upload your contact list in CSV to FindThatLead and enrich it with real-time data. Do you need the email addresses of the contacts on the list? Here it is. Complete the contact fields of your CRM with this feature, or better yet, use our own integrated CRM. Do you want to find a contact's email on LinkedIn? Open the FindThatLead's Chrome extension on any LinkedIn profile. You can also use it within a website to get more contact info and even in a Crunchbase profile. Quick and easy. Join the more than 250,000 marketing and sales professionals who already trust FindThatLead and try our more than 20 specific filters when prospecting. That's why we are the all-in-one lead generation tool with the highest ROI in the market. Try FindThatLead for free today. And remember, find, don't search.